What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be replacing what they call the plastic tongue on my Wahl wireless magic clippers. It's what actually allows the cutting blade itself to move side to side and cut the hair. I'm going to start by removing both screws. Careful not to start it on accident like I did. You're going to want to put your hand right there on the blade above one of the screws, because if you don't, it's going to fly off like crazy. You'll see right here, and it moves quite a bit. There's a lot of pressure holding that in. Now when I remove the cutting blade, that's the little plastic tongue that broke a while back. It's very dirty, so I'm going to clean this the best I can. I don't have my air compressor, so I can't just blow it out. But yeah, it was broken. I ended up super gluing it, and it lasted me quite a while, you guys. Not too sure why I didn't just order a replacement, but ordered them on eBay, 5-pack for $11, and I think that's a really good deal. Taking this out did give me some trouble. Not too sure if it was because I had took it out, used super glue, and maybe it just made it stuck, but it flew off super fast. And just be careful, y'all, don't poke your eye out. Look at all this hair I'm scooping out. It's super nasty. I knew something was wrong. Whenever I was cutting hair, it just sounded like it was crunching, so I knew that little area right there was filled with hair. Taking the larger blade, I wanted to clean it up anyways, get it nice and lubricated, oil it up, because it's a lot of moving parts and there's a lot of friction when cutting hair, so I just wanted it to last a little bit longer. And since you're already taking the whole entire blades off, it doesn't hurt to just clean them up anyways. Pulling out the plastic tongue, just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. It looks just like the original one, so that I was happy about. Some of the reviews stated otherwise, but I'm glad my experience wasn't that. Those little two metal prongs right there, they line up perfectly with these little indentations in the back, and you just want to place it right there inside the little area where all that hair was stuck. And I just held it down. It was giving me a little trouble staying in place, but I put the cutter blade right over it. It snapped in very nicely, nice and snug, and I still kept holding it down just to make sure it wouldn't move or pop out of place while I put on this guide blade. Placing the blade back together wasn't too bad. The screws themselves, I'm not going to tighten them 100%, maybe like 70-80% tightness, just so I can move and adjust the blade as needed. You'll see me do that here in a bit. So you want to close the lever fully, that way you can make sure that the teeth aren't, the white part, it's not overlapping the actual back of the blade. The right side was a little too high, so I had to adjust that, and the left side was a little too low, so that's what I ended up doing with that. Once I got them all nice and even, I oiled and lubricated the blades once more, and I'll go ahead and run them just to get the oil moving through. Out with the old and in with the new. Thank y'all so much for watching. Have a blessed one. See you on the next video.